Now this is the question from matrix algebra. Now in this question we are going to solve the system of linear equations by matrix method. Equations are given here. So x plus 2y minus 3z is equal to minus 4, 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 2, 3x minus 3y minus 4z is equal to 11. So first we assume let A here matrix A is for first row we take coefficients of x, y, z from first equation. Coefficient of x is 1, so 1. Coefficient of y is 2, so 2. Coefficient of z is minus 3, so minus 3. Then second row from second equation, coefficient of x is 2, here we are taking 2. Coefficient of y is 3, so 3. Coefficient of z is 2, so we are taking 2. Then from third equation we take third row, coefficient of x is 3, so we are taking 3. Coefficient of y is minus 3, so we are taking minus 3. Coefficient of z is minus 4, so we are taking minus 4. This is matrix A. Then matrix X is variables x, y, z from these equations. And matrix B is here we have minus 4, 2 and 11. Minus 4, 2 and 11. So before finding solution of this equation, first we have to find determinant of this matrix. Determinant of matrix A. So determinant of matrix A is 1, 2, minus 3, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 3, 2. This is the matrix. 2, 3, 2. Sorry, determinant of this matrix. We are going to find determinant of this matrix. 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 3, 2 and 3 minus 4. 3 minus 3 minus 4. Now for this one. And then take its cofactors. To evaluate any determinant, determinant of any matrix, we have to take cofactors of all the elements of any one row or of any one column with the element of that row and that column. So 1 and its cofactor. Close this one, this column 3, 2, minus 3, minus 4. 2 lie in first row and the second column, so before 2 we have to take negative sign and close this row and this column, then 2, 3, minus 4. 2 and its cofactor is negative of this one. 2. Close this one and this column. Then 2, 3 minus 4. 2, 3 minus 4. 2 lie first row and second column. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. First row and the second column. Minus 1 to the power 3. So we have taken a negative sign. Then third element, this is plus, because this minus 3 lie in first row and in third column. Minus 1 to the power first row and in third column. So minus 1 to the power 4, so positive. And here we have minus 3 and determinant its cofactors. Close this row and this column. 2, 3. 2, 3, 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 3 into minus 4, minus 12, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, plus 6, minus 2, 2 into minus 4, minus 8, and minus 6, and here we have minus 3, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. Minus 12 plus 6, minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 14. Minus 3 into minus 15. So minus 6 plus 28 and plus 45. This is equal to 67. So determinant of matrix A is 67. In this way we find determinant of matrix, any matrix. So determinant of A is 67. Determinant of A is 67. Now we have to find inverse of this matrix, and before finding inverse we have to find adjoint, and for adjoint we have to take cofactors of each element of this matrix. So cofactor of 1, C11 lies in first row and first column. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 2, so it will be positive. So 3 into minus, close this row and this column. Then 3 2 minus 3 minus 4, 3 2 minus 3 minus 4, minus 12 plus 6, result is minus 6. Then cofactor of this element 2 lies in first row and in second column. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. Minus 1 to the power 3, negative. So we have taken here negative sign, and cofactor of this, close this one and this column. So 2, 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 2, 3 minus 4. So minus 2 into minus 4, minus 8, and minus 6, minus, the result is 14. 1, 3 means cofactor of that element which lies in first and in third column. First this element, close this one and this column. 2, 3, 3 minus 3, 2, 3, 3 minus 3. 2 into minus 3, minus 6 and minus 9, so minus 15. 2, 1. 2, 1 means cofactor of that element which lies in second row and in first column. 2, 1, that is from this element. Close this row and this column. 2 minus 3 and minus 3 minus 4. 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 4. And before this one, before this determinant, we have to take negative sign because 2 lie in second row and in first column. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 to the power 3, so it will be negative. So we have taken the negative sign. So we have taken the negative sign. Now minus 2 into minus 4, minus 8, and minus 3 minus 3 minus 9. So minus 8 minus 9, that is 17. 2 2 means cofactor of this element. 2 2 second row and second column. Close this column and this row. 1 minus 3 and 3 minus 4. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4. So minus 4 and minus 9. Minus 4 plus 9. This is 5. So then 2 2 after 2 2 3 means second row and third column. Second, that is for this element. Here I is 2 and j is 3. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3. So minus 1 to the power 5. It will be negative. So we are taking here negative sign. Negative sign. So cofactor of this element, close this row and this column. 1 2 3 minus 3. 1 2 3 minus 3 minus 3 and minus 6 minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 will be plus 9. 3 1 3 1. This cofactor of that element which lies in third row and in first column, that is for this element. 3 plus 1 4. So minus 1 to the power 4, so it will be positive. We are taking it positive. Close this row and this column and this row. So 2 minus 3 3 2. 2 minus 3 3 2. So 4 minus 9. So 13. 3 2. That is 3 plus 2 is 5, or so minus 1 to the power 5. So it will be negative. So we are taking a negative sign. Now for cofactor of this element, close minus 6. 3 plus 6. So minus 2 plus 6, 8. Minus 8. 3, 3. Let's go factor of this element. 3, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So minus 1 to the power 6 will be positive. So we are taking the positive sign. So close this one, this column. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1 into 3. 3 minus 2 into 2, 4. 3 minus 4. Minus 1. So in this way, we get here cofactors of each element of this matrix. Therefore, cofactors, we are going to write the cofactors of A. Cofactors of A is equal to minus 6, 14, minus 15, 17, 5, 9, 13, here minus 8 and minus 1. Minus 1. This is cofactors of A. So adjoint is transpose of cofactors of any matrix is known as adjoint of the matrix. Transpose of cofactors of any matrix is known as adjoint of the matrix. So adjoint A. Now take transpose of this matrix, change columns into rows. Minus 6, 17, 13. Second column 14, 5 minus 8. 14, 5 minus 8. And third column minus 15, 9 minus 1. Minus 15, 9 minus 1. This is the adjoint A. So A inverse is 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. Adjoint A. So 1 upon 67, determinant A is 67, and adjoint is minus 6, 17, 13, minus 6, 17, 13, minus 6, 17, 13, 14, 5 minus 8, 14, 5 minus 8, minus 15, 9, 1, minus 15, 9, minus 1. This is adjoint A is, sorry, this is inverse, not adjoint. This is the adjoint A, this is inverse. A inverse is determinant, A inverse is 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. So 1 upon, this is the determinant of A and this is the adjoint. Our matrix method is X is equal to A inverse B. So X is X, Y, Z. A inverse is 1 upon 67 minus 6, minus 6, 17, 13, 14, 5, minus 8, minus 15, 9, minus 1. A inverse and B. B is minus 4 to 11. This matrix is 3 cross 3. This matrix is 3 cross 1. So multiplying we get this row with this column. 6 minus 6 into 4. 24 plus 17. 17 into 2. 34 plus 13 into 11. 143. Then this row with this column, 14 into 4 minus 56. 5 into 10 plus 10 and 8 minus 8 into 11 minus 88. Now this row with this column, 15 into 4 16, 9 into 2 11, 18 and minus 1 into 11 minus 11. So 1 upon 67, 1 upon 67. 11, 1, 4, 5, 201. Result is 201. Now adding these two, 56 minus 56 minus 88. Minus 56 and minus 88. Minus 144 plus 10. Minus 134. 134 and 60 plus 18. 78 minus 11. 78 minus 11. 67. This is 67. This is 67. Now, matrix X, Y, Z is equal to this one. X, Y, Z is equal to 201 divided by 67. This is 3. Minus 134 divided by 67. Minus 2. And 67 divided by 67. This is 1. Therefore, X is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 2 and Z is equal to 1. This is the solution of the given system of linear equations.